When the Indian women's cricket team started their World Cup campaign, everyone said that this could very well be the team's 1983 moment. Led by Harmanpreet Kaur, the team went in not as favourites, but as a team that a whole nation was backing. When that same Harmanpreet Kaur held on to a catch at the stroke of midnight, things changed for young girls everywhere in the country. And the proof of that change has been last night at the WPL auction. A Deepti Sharma going for 3.2 crores, a Kranti Gaur going for 1.3 crores, and a Bharti Fulmali going for 70 lakhs. These are numbers that if you told a young cricketer maybe 6 or 7 years ago, they would not have believed you. They would not have believed that at a WPL auction, first of all, they wouldn't have believed that there was a Women's Premier League. But if you were to tell them that this is how much they would earn going forward in the future, they would not have believed you. But what this has done is, when tomorrow parents wake up, or even tonight as well, when they scroll through their phones, when they open their newspapers and they see that a Deepti Sharma has gone for 3.2 crores, which is not a small amount by any margin, they will realize that cricket does not anymore have to be a hobby. It is now a stable career path for a lot of young girls. Tomorrow parents will wake up and say to their daughters, go ahead and pick up a bat, go ahead and pick up a ball and go to a club. When I first started playing cricket, I was refused from club after club saying that we don't have enough female coaches here, we don't have enough girls for you to practice with, or sometimes this is just a boys' club. But that will no longer happen because Indian women's team changed everything that night. Talking about Bharti Fulmali, someone who went for 70 lakhs last night, I have had the privilege of watching her very, very closely, watching her grind through the years. She comes from a very humble beginning, and to earn 70 lakhs through cricket is groundbreaking. Let's even talk about the attention that the media has given the WPL auction last night. Last time around, when the mega auction happened in Mumbai, there was half the amount of media there. Even when we talk about the public attention, Ann Parth Jindal in one of the press conferences came out and said that there has been a sudden change since that night, since the night that India lifted the Women's World Cup. He said that people have been coming up to me and asking what the strategy is going to be like. Will you get back a Meg Lanning? Why did you let go of a Meg Lanning? And this had never happened before. Even Lisa Sthalekar, when she came out to give the media their bites, there was a bit of a chaos because she was surrounded by reporters from all around. Cameras hitting each other, the clanks of mics hitting each other, and Lisa Sthalekar slyly laughed and said, well, if I were to go back to the last WPL auction, there were maybe 2 of you there, and now look at me, I'm surrounded by reporters, and that's what the Indian women's team did that night. The point here is, since that night, since that stroke of midnight when Harmanpreet Kaur held on to that catch, no one will dare say that women's cricket is just not fun. No one will ever say that women's cricket is not entertaining or commercially viable. That has all changed now. And this one is for every single cricketer out there, women's cricketer who continued without the spotlight, who continued without the money and continued without the support. Without them, women's cricket would not be where it is now.